Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another Amazon haul. I have some really cool items to share with you that recently came in the past like 1 to 2 weeks. Yes, these videos can get pretty random, but I have some really great items. I have a supplement, I have some beauty items, I have some like gadgets slash devices. I think I have 2 to share with you. And then I have one item, I don't have it to physically share with you because it was a gift, but I did want to mention it because I was really impressed with the way it came out. So I'm going to stop rambling on. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what goodies I picked up from Amazon, then just keep watching. First, let's start off with the item that I don't have to physically share to you because it was a gift, but I'm going to insert a picture so you can see it. My sister's bridal shower was a few weekends ago, and I was thinking of getting her customized champagne glasses. And I feel like for a website, I might have not gotten them in time. It was kind of like a last second thing, so I like resorted to Amazon because I could have just like got her a gift card or something else like that, but I wanted to get her something more sentimental. And I know for my wedding, I think 2 people might have got me like customizable champagne glasses that you can drink on your wedding day. So I went on Amazon, and yeah, it's a thing. You can get customizable, engraved, or whatever you want the champagne glasses to say. You can get them made on Amazon. So I'm going to link the one that I went with. There were a few, but this one had the quickest shipping and it was a really good price. I think the 2 champagne glasses came to like about 30 bucks, but it was a super great gift. She loved it. It has Mr. and Mrs. and then their last name, and then it has the wedding date on it. Again, I'll insert a picture. It's not the picture of the actual wine glasses. It's the picture from the listing on Amazon, but I can speak to you that they looked beautiful. They were in great shape, and they came within like 2 days, you guys. So that's what I wanted to mention as well. They came super quick. And I know I say this all the time, but you literally can find anything on Amazon. And who would have thought you can get engraved champagne glasses for like a wedding or a bridal gift on Amazon? But I did, so I figured I would just share that. I probably should have filmed the video before I actually gave them away to my sister. So next we will get into one of the 2 devices that I have, or gadgets, whatever you want to call them, that I have to share with you. So I actually had this plugged in and I unboxed it. But let me grab the box. Basically, it is a IPL laser hair removal, and I've mentioned these before. This one is super affordable from Amazon, you guys. I think I looked and it's like $90, and I've seen them go for $300, $200 to $300. So I wanted to kind of share a more affordable version with you. So this is what the box looks like, and if I'm pronouncing this correctly, it's called Gamiso. I will have this one linked down below. I want to say it comes with 999,999 flashes. Wow, I don't think I've ever said that number before. So pretty much it's like unlimited flashes. I mean, that's a lot of flashes to go through. It has 5 levels, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. It's very lightweight. This is probably the lightest one that I've owned. I have some heavier ones. This one's really lightweight and it's really sleek, you guys. I love it. I love the black, and it's got the rose gold tip right there. So I have it plugged in, and I like it too because it's simple. I have other ones that have like a bunch of buttons, so it can kind of get confusing. So this one right here, you guys can see right now, it says off. It's flashing off. So I press this power button down until it turns on, and you can hear that it's turned on. I did test it out, so that's why it's not at the 999,999. I did do a few flashes before I turned the camera on. I'm gonna hold it like this so you don't see the glare from the ring lights. So if you want to go up in like the power level, you press the power button again, and hopefully you guys can see the bars going up. I think I'm at the 4th level right now. And then once you get to the 5th and you want to go back down, you just keep pressing it and it goes back down. So for the sake of this video, since I've done this before, we're just going to stick at level 2. And then this button right here that has the leaf on it, that is basically what you are going to press to make the flashes go off. This isn't painful. It doesn't hurt. So I'm just going to kind of demo. We'll do like my arm area right here. And you want to make sure that the actual device is touching your skin or the flashes won't go off. And see, you just hit it and it goes off. So yeah, I did want to share a more affordable version of an IPL laser hair removal device for either body hair or facial hair. This is very lightweight, it's sleek, it's easy to use. And then staying on the topic of beauty, I've got like 2 beauty related items, to share with you. So one of my favorite liquid lipsticks is Meet Matte Hues by The Balm in the shade Sincere. And I wear it in a lot of my videos. I always get questions on what lip shade I'm wearing. But I have noticed that over time, because mine was like from a few years ago, it kind of lightened up a little. So this one's a little bit darker, but nonetheless, it's really pretty. So I went on Amazon. It came in like a day. Actually, it came in a day. And I might have been a little bit cheaper on Amazon as opposed if I bought it off The Balm's website. And I know Kohl's sells it as well. I would have had to pay for the shipping. So I went to Amazon and got it there. So I'm going to just kind of swatch it out for you guys so you can see. But this formula is really nice. This is probably one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. I don't really wear liquid lipstick. That is a tongue twister. I don't really wear them a lot anymore, you guys, but this is not drying at all. It's not sticky, and it looks really nice on the lips. You can put a gloss on it, or you can not put a gloss on it. I always like to put glosses on liquid lipsticks, but yeah, I just love this formula, you guys, and this is the shade right here. It's a really nice, kind of like a little bit darker of a nude shade, but it's beautiful. Next, I got this kind of, I don't know what you want to call it, tweezer kit, if you will. The brand is Savote Lashes. I'll have it linked down below because I can't really like read what that says. But I wanted to get another pair of lash tweezers, not to put like individual lashes on, but I'm going to show you. This actually came in a 3-pack and it was maybe like $7 or so. Prices fluctuate, but I'll have it linked down below. But this is the type of tweezer that I was looking for. So when I'm applying lashes, after they're on, I like to go in with these and clamp down so that they stay put. And it's really good. I kind of just go in, clamp down along the lash band, and they're good to go. So I had the exact same pair, lost it, didn't know where it was, so I just wanted to get a new one. But I saw this little kit right here. So it comes with just like really sharp, regular, I'll take this little thing off so you can see. It just comes with these right here. These are good if you want to get like really precise or pick something up. Or anything like that. But in terms of like actually tweezing, I don't really use those, but they are very sharp. And then these ones right here are kind of cool too. I do like the curved ones a little bit better, but these also you can like use to just like apply the lashes. For clamping down on the lashes and the lash band so that they like stay, I do like the curved one better. So I kind of like that they came with like a set of 3. So I just wanted to mention my lash tweezers that I got from Amazon. And the next device I have to share with you is a muscle massage gun. I love this. I have no idea. I had one from like a year and a half ago. I don't even know where it is. I might have even let somebody borrow it. I'm not really sure, but this one is actually a lot less heavier than my last one, but I love it. It is by the brand Nypo, if I'm saying that correctly, as you guys can see. So this one, let me just grab the box. This has a couple other different attachments to it. It has this ball attachment right here, as you can see. This one's really nice to go down your neck and like the beginning of your spine. This one feels really nice. And then I think it has, this one's more for like trigger points. It's like pointed. It has a user manual as well, as you guys can see, but I'm just gonna kind of show you. So this is what it looks like. This is the attachment that I have on. I love this thing. Me and my husband fight over it. This is just nice to get into specific areas. So what I like to do, I'm gonna turn it on right now. I'm gonna turn it on. The button is down below. So it's on because it's lit up blue. And then there's like 5 different speeds. So I'm going to go to speed 2. As you guys can see right there, like, just feels really nice. I'm going to go into my neck. This is like every day what I do. And go into my shoulders. And it just feels so nice. You can do your calves, your legs, like after you're working out. Pretty much like anywhere. For me, again, I like to do my shoulders and my neck area. Maybe mid-back area, but it kind of gets a little tricky, so I'll have my husband do that for me. But yeah, these things are really great. They're really nice, and you can like take them anywhere with you. So yeah, just giving myself a little massage here. So I wanted to shout this one out. It's really great. Let me turn it off. Hold on, you guys. Let me just turn this off, having a little too much fun. So yeah, I love these, and every time I show somebody one of these, they're so intrigued and then they end up buying one. So I wanted to share this one with you guys. Okay, so last but not least is a repeat purchase supplement. I know I've been mentioning some different neuropathy supplements in recent videos. So I think I told you that if they didn't work out, I'd be going back to just the straight up alpha lipoic acid. So I'm back to this. I have fibromyalgia, many of you know. I have neuropathy as well. It used to be in my arms, and basically what neuropathy is it's like tingling, okay? And it doesn't hurt, but for me, it's at nighttime, and I just can't sleep. It used to be in like my lower, kind of like right around here, lower arm area. And now I don't have that problem anymore. It's in my calf to my lower leg. It's almost like restless leg syndrome. So it's really bad. And I was on this for the longest time. I was off my actual medication for that. And then over the winter, it just like came back. I had to go back on my medication. So I'm back on this. So I'm hoping after a while I can kind of come off my medication and kind of tames down my neuropathy in my leg. This one's really good though, you guys. I've been getting this for a really long time, so I will keep you guys posted. And then I'm also in the process of finishing the Kindle book that I shared with you in my last Amazon video, the What Your Doctor Doesn't Tell You About Fibromyalgia. I'm like halfway through it. And I am going to embark on it, but it's like the one problem with that is that like it's all about how you can take guaifenesin, which is an actual ingredient that is in cough medicine, but it's also about eliminating salicylates, if I'm saying that correctly, from your body. And for me, that's going to be hard because that means I can't use Bath & Body Works hand soaps, Bath & Body Works body lotions. And you just kind of have to look at where they are in like everything you use. So it's going to be really tricky. I am going to attempt to try it for a little while. I don't know how long. So I'm kind of like torn as I went further through the book because aloe is in Bath & Body Works body lotions, and they said any plant can make salicylates naturally. So yeah, I'm not happy about that, you guys, so I will definitely be keeping you posted. The book is really interesting, but I just figured I'd mention that for all you guys that have fibromyalgia along with me. It stinks. That's part of the reason why I'm home. This is my job. I left my 9-to-5 office job 2 years ago. Best decision of my life because my pain was actually worse then. So anyways, I'm going off on tangent, but that is it for this random Amazon haul. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried out any of these items? Are you thinking of trying out any of these items like the massage gun or the laser IPL hair removal device? I would be curious to find out. Also, if there's anything that I need to know about, certainly let me know. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.